Alright guys, so there's day and time on the Garmin Former 620. And right now we are standing inside Building F, also known as the library, Harper College in Palatine, Illinois. And for a while this place has been under renovation, so unfortunately I didn't get to see it before they renovated it. This is what it looks like after the renovation. Look how gorgeous it looks. I mean, it's got an open atrium. I mean, when you walk in, it's got an open atrium in the front. It's got a nice MPE there. To the left, where I'm facing right now, is the library itself. And some seating over here. And wait till you see what they have over here. Yep, that's right. They have an elevator over here. And if you look at it, you can definitely tell that this thing could have easily been made glass according to Filechia. But whatever, we're still gonna ride it. So let's go take a ride in it. So it's a ThyssenKrupp with Vandal-Resistant fixtures. So now it's coming down. Stand back so you guys can fit the whole thing in the frame. And I don't know if you guys just heard, but this thing has a grocery beep. And it's got different chimes than I expected. I thought it would have the original Dover chime, but I guess not. Ooh, voice. Oh yeah, it's also got a voice as well as chime and grocery beep. So anyways, let's head up to 3. So this elevator, I believe, was newer. So this is what the new elevator in this building looks like. And we're stopping at 2, it seems like. Going up? Same. It's got a delayed start. Here up at 3. And I think it opens up
4-3.
Opens up on that side. Come in.
Oh, second floor?
Oh, second.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Here's your indicator. Inspection on possibly. We'll shake it going down. And these are your fixtures.
4-2.
Floor 2 actually opens up on that side. So floors 2 and 3 open up on that side, and the first floor opens up on this side. So anyways, here's your phone down there. And since I know it's in the elevator right now, let's get a little cab view. I mean, it's got the same cab as most of the elevators on this campus, but it's really big. So, yeah. So now we're back on the first floor. Let's ring the bell.
Going up.
And since I ring the bell, the going up voice activated on it. So let's watch the doors close. There it goes. And that's it. And for all you vending machine fans, got a few. Got an Aquafina one here to the left. That's made by Dixie Narco. Here we go. It's a Dixie Narco DN 5800-4. Same one as Fremd. They have it from high school. And then over here you got what's called, I think, Convention Solution. Oh wait, no. The brand is Crane National Vendors and the model is 167. Pause if you want to read that sticker. And I guess I didn't give you enough time to read the sticker. Here you go. So yeah, anyways guys, that'll be it.